Assalamu alaikum, marhaban, halan wa salam, my Arabic learners. Now, welcome to another part of our Learn Arabic. Now, inshallah, in today's video, we are going to be talking about Arabic conjugation, that is conjugation in Arabic. So, these are the Arabic phrases I have for you today. So, that is conjugation. It means that it transforming from one place to another. So, we have the present verbs. So the present verbs, the phrases it is in present verb, asking question, and then maybe I'm going to be replying to this question, inshallah. And then if this is your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, and then make comment. Now, so the first phrases is Ana as'alu as'ilatan muhimma. That is Ana as'alu. Ana as'alu. That is Ana as'alu. That is no Ana. That is the personal pronoun. Ana as'alu. That is I'm talking about myself. I'm referring to myself. That I'm asking a question. I'm asking an important question. Muhimmatu. It is important. The meaning of muhimmatu is important. Ana as'alu ashilata muhimma. I'm asking an important question. That is what I'm asking an important question. So I'm asking an important question. That is the first phrases. Ana, which is the personal pronoun. That is Ana. That is the personal pronoun. As'alu, asking. That is I ask. Ana as'alu as'ilatan su'alan. That is I'm asking an important question. I'm asking an important question. Now, let's do the translation here. I'm asking an important question. I'm asking an important question. Now, we have the second one where is Nahnu nas'alu. Nahnu nas'alu. The first one is Ana as'alu, which is I, but the second one is Nahnu nas'alu. So the conjugation occurs here, which is Nahnu nas'alu. Nahnu nas'alu. This is also what present verb that we ask. The first one is what I ask, but the second is the first one is I'm asking. The second phrase is what I'm asking. We are asking. Nahnu nas'alu anil wajibi. We are asking, that is, we ask about homework. Nahnu nas'alu anil wajib. We ask about homework. Nahnu nas'alu anil wajibi. We ask about homework. Al wajib, that is the homework. That's the Arabic of homework and assignment. Homework. And nahnu, we ask. Nas'alu, we ask. Anil wajib, about homework. We ask about homework. Nahnu nas'alu anil wajib. That is, we ask about homework. We ask about homework. That is, Nahnu nas'alu. The first phrase is Ana as'alu. Ana as'alu, that is I ask. Now the conjugations occur here, which is Nahnu nas'alu. It transforms from what? From personal pronoun, that is I, to what? To Nahnu nas'alu, to we. That is we. Maybe you are up to 2, 3, 4. So this is Nahnu nas'alu anil wajib. That is, we ask about homework. Now, the third phrase is Huwa yas'alu anil amal. Huwa yas'alu anil amal. Huwa yas'alu anil amal. That is, he asks about work. He asks about work. Al-amal, which is work. Al-amalu means work. Huwa yas'alu. That is, he asks about homework. I'm referring to someone. I'm referring to a male. That is, I'm talking to a male. I'm referring to a male. That is, Huwa yas'alu anil amal. He asks about homework. That is, he asks about homework. He asks about work. عن العمل. He asks about work. هو يسأل عن العمل. He asks about work. This is the third phrase. Now, moving on to the fourth phrase. That is هي تسأل عن الساعة. Here you can repeat it. You can repeat this after me. That is هي تسأل عن الساعة. That is هي تسأل عن الساعة. That is she asks about time. هي تسأل عن الساعة. هي تسأل عن الساعة. That is she asks about time. Now she asks. I'm referring to a female that is not here. That is not here. Which is هي تسأل. Here you will say هي تسأل عن الساعة. She asks about time. But if you want to say he asks about time, it is going to be هي تسأل. This is ta. Ta, we use ta. We use ta for female that is not what, that is not here. We use ta that is not here. That for the female, if you want to use ta, this ta, we are going to use ta for what, for female that is not here. But if you want to use ta for female, for male, that is you are referring to him. You are referring to him. That is anta. That is anta tas'al anisa. You ask about time. I'm referring to someone that is here, to a male, to a masculine. That is what that is here. But if you want to use ta, you can use ta to what, to represent a female that is not here. That is here. Tas'al anisa. She asked about what? She asked about time. She asked about time. Now, the fifth one is anta tas'alu kathiran. Anta tas'alu kathiran. Anta tas'alu kathiran. You can repeat this after me. Anta tas'alu. Anta tas'alu kathiran. Anta tas'alu kathiran. That is, you ask a lot. You ask a lot. That is you ask a lot. This is for the male. You ask a lot. Anta tas'alu kathiran. Anta tas'alu. Anta tas'alu kathiran. That is, you ask a lot. Then we have the last one, which is what? Anti tas'alina. Anti tas'alina anni. Anti tas'alina anni. That is you ask about me. Tas'alina, that you ask about me. Anti tas'alina. Anti tas'alina anni. You ask about me. That this is for the female. For the feminine, anti tas'alina. Anti tas'alina anni. You ask about me. Anti tas'alina anni. That is you ask about what? About me. Now, let's look into another phrases. Now, let's say anta tadrib. Anta tadrib ma'ahu. That is anta tadrib. Anta tadrib. That is, you beat with him. Anta tadrib ma'ahu. You beat with him. Anta tadrib ma'ahu. Now, for the female, if you want to refer this for the female, you say anti tadribina. That is anti tadribina. Anti tadribina ma'ahu. That is ma'ahu. You beat with what? You beat with him. Tadribina. This is for what? This is for the feminine. Tadribina. So the conjugations occur here. It transforms from where? From tadrib, from masculine to what? To the feminine. Tadrib, that's for the feminine, for the masculine. Tadribina, this is for the what? This is for the feminine. And tadrib ma'ahu, you beat with him. Then أنت تضرب معه, you beat with what? You beat with him. I'm referring this to a female. That's you beat with him. You beat. That's you have feminine. You beat with him. أنت تضرب معه, you beat what? You beat with him. Now another phrase is أنت أنت تكتب أنت تكتب رسالة. That is أنت تكتب. أنت تكتب. أنت تكتب رسالة. That is أنت تكتب رسالة. أنت تكتب رسالة. You write a letter. You are writing أنت تكتب رسالة. You are writing a letter. أنت تكتب رسالة. You are writing a letter. This is for what? This is for the masculine. أنت تكتب رسالة. رسالة means what? Letter. That is you write a letter. أنت تكتب رسالة. You write a what? You write a letter. Risalata means what? Risalata means letter. Anta taktubu risalatan. You write a what? You write a letter. Now for the feminine is going to be anti taktubina. Anti taktubina. That is anti taktubina. That's anti. Anti taktubina. Anti taktubina risalatan. Anti taktibina risalatan, that is you write a letter. For this is for the what? For the feminine. You write a letter. You write a letter. This is for the what? This is for the feminine. Anti taktibina risalatan, that is you write a letter. So the conjugation occurs here. It transforms from masculine to the what? To the feminine. So this is about verb conjugation. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. If this is your first time of watching my video, like, share, and then make comments. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.